Oh man, this F150 frame was absolutely falling apart. But it was actually a pretty easy fix. I pulled the bed and dropped the tank. Check this out. This bed's got a couple holes in it, but we'll come back to that in a minute. I started with this spot right here where the fuel tank sits. I cut it out, welded a piece of plate steel in, and wrapped it around the bottom. And this is what it looked like in front of that on the driver's side. So I cut the bottom off the frame. These are the Doorman mid-frame repair pieces. I jack them up into place, clamp the tops, and weld them in. And this is the passenger side, pretty much the same. I always weld these little stainless ID tags in on my work so the state inspection guy knows where to find me. Here's that little spot I started with behind the fuel tank after it's been etcher primed and coated with POR15. These are nice thick panels with drain holes at the bottom. They'll outlive me for sure, so I give them a lifetime guarantee on them. I'll put this back together with new bed bolts and tank straps. Before putting the bed back on, I gotta fix a couple of these holes in the floor. I just weld in a few more pieces of plate steel, nothing too fancy. We're on a little bit of a budget here. I etcher, prime, and coat these repairs in POR too. You're not going to see them. There's a bed liner that goes over this. And that's it. Thanks for watching.
Nobody wants to drop 50 grand on a new truck. Let Skunk Works fix the one you have.